future makers, welcome to TeacherPreneur. By failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail. Exams like SET do require strong focus and preparation. If you are a candidate for SET and you're opting to give out SET exam in the near future, I think this video is a one-stop solution for you, because in this video, I've simplified every bit of information that you will need to give SET exam. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started with the most value-packed information about SET exam on the internet. So first and foremost, the question is, what is SET? SET or SLET stands for State Level Eligibility Test. This is an exam conducted by various states to know whether the teacher is eligible for the post of a lecturer in college. So if you are considering teaching in colleges or universities, then SET exam is a must for you. First, you need to clear SET exam, and then gradually you have to clear NET exam. All these teacher exams are really important for you, and hence we've created a complete playlist for teacher exams. The link for the same will be in the I button and in the description box below. So make sure you go through all of these. Remember, since this exam is conducted state-wise, each state has their own protocol and dates for taking examination. So we cannot come to one website or one place where you can find all the information. All the states take these exams depending on their availability and eligibility. So you need to be updated with what the SET exam protocol is within your state. So for that, you'll have to go to their official website according to your state and find all the relevant information. Now, coming to the eligibility criteria for SET exam. You need to have at least a master's or a postgraduate degree with 55% marks if you belong to the general category and 50% marks if you belong to other category. An important point to note over here is that even if you are appearing for your master's or you have already appeared for your exam and you are awaiting results for your master's, you can still apply for SET. So in short, you can start applying for SET as soon as you start applying for your master's. So in short, you can apply for SET as soon as you enter the final year of your post-graduation. That's a bonus, so you can start preparation well in advance and clear it in one go. If you clear this exam in one go, it will be really helpful for you to get the job in one of the topmost universities in your area. Coming to the date when this exam is conducted. As I've already told you all, every state has different dates and different protocols. I'll be linking the official website for SLET in the description. You can go there and then select your own state and see when is the next exam to be conducted in your particular state. Let's talk about how can you apply for the exam. Firstly, you have to go to the official web portal and check for the eligibility notification. Since this eligibility criteria depends on various states and they keep on changing and revising it, first do check in the notification area whether there is some change in the eligibility criteria. If you are eligible according to all the criteria as mentioned, then definitely go to the next step. The next step is to fill out the application form. Take the application form, fill out each and every detail that they have asked. Keep your documents PDF ready so that you can upload it while filling the form. And with that, I think you're done with the application. Once your application and documents are verified, you need to take the next step of payment of your fees. Now it depends totally upon the area and the category and the state. It is not more than 1,000 rupees. So I think that is quite okay. Once you fill out the form and pay the fees, you're ready to give SET exam. But remember to check the due dates before you start. I've seen many applicants missing out on due dates, and because of that, they have to get this whole process delayed for another 6 months. So one mistake of yours might cost you half a year. So as soon as you reach the website, check out the due date and make sure you hit on the notifications. So for this, I try my best to put out whatever details I know in the community post. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get all the notifications regarding this exam. After you've done all of this process, just take a printout of your form and you're ready to go. Now, before the due date, your admit cards will come. You will receive an email for the same if you've provided the correct email ID, and at times you also receive SMS depending on your state. As soon as you get your admit card, just download it and you're ready to go for the exam. Now coming to how should we prepare for SET exam. Let me tell you, I've got you covered for this as well. So the first and the foremost thing is that you should know your syllabus. Once you download your syllabus, highlight what areas you will require more preparation for and what areas you're well versed with. Divide your time accordingly, but do remember that you do not have to forget the areas where you're strong. You still have to keep practicing the areas where you're strong, but you need to allot less time to that and more time to areas where you're weak. In this way, if you divide your time well according to the syllabus, I'm sure you'll be able to crack. The next important step is to understand the exam pattern. kindly go through all the previous year question papers that are available around you so that your mind is clear about what kind of questions are to be asked. So even if you're preparing for a topic, think about it from the point of view of the examiner. If it's an MCQ type of exam, you need to prepare your topics in such a way कि इसमें से क्या options और क्या questions निकाले जा सकते हैं. Since you're already a teacher, you're almost good at this. You just need to prepare your knowledge in this manner now as a student. The next thing that you need to consider is time management. The questions in the paper are very vast and you do not have time to segregate what questions you know and what you don't know. So, as soon as you get the paper, you need to start solving it along the questions. You cannot keep anything for later. Try your best to solve the question then and there if you have a clue about it. And if you don't have a clue about it, you can keep it for later. But make sure you do it on time. Many people complain about not getting enough time to clear the exam. And this is where most of the people fail to crack this exam. Make a note that since you are going for a university professor, this exam is not going to be as easy as other exams that you've cleared in your life. This is not a university exam, but this is an exam for you to go and teach the university kids. So it will be of that level only, and hence your preparation also has to be at that level only. Another important thing is to prepare short notes while preparing for the exam. What I mean to say is that एग्जाम के 1-2 दिन पहले या 1 वीक पहले आप सारी बुक्स फिर से एक और बार नहीं पढ़ पाओगे, पर पढ़ते पढ़ते अगर आपने हर टॉपिक पे कोई शॉर्ट नोट्स बनाई होगी तो उससे गो थ्रू करने का आपको टाइम मिल जाएगा. So what you need to do is, whenever you're preparing for any topic, make sure you have some short notes or you've underlined the crucial things that are important for you to know and revise one day before the exam. This will build your confidence and you'll have revised most of the things. So exam के time पे चीजें फटाफट याद आएंगी because you've read, made notes and revised it well. The last but the most important tip is to practice. As a teacher, you also know that no exam can be cleared without hard work and practice. जो एडवाइस आप बच्चों को देते आए हो ना, now is the time to apply those same things and same tips for your own self. If you want to get in the university or college of your choice, then you need to come to a level and crack that exam with a certain grade. If you want to get that grade, you need to practice and prepare for this exam. बहुत लोग फ्लूक में ये एग्जाम देने जाते हैं that it just doesn't matter. But I'm telling you, it does matter. Start preparing from day one, from the time you know that next exam कब होने वाली है. Even if the preparation is only 20 minutes or half an hour a day, these small drops will add up to big results one day. So prepare from the time you know when the exam is going to be conducted and don't wait for the last moment to prepare and then go to the exam haphazardly and just come and say कि कुछ हुआ ही नहीं था इसलिए एग्जाम अच्छा नहीं है, नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में देख लेंगे. Remember, फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में एग्जाम को क्लियर करके आपकी चॉइस की जो कॉलेज या यूनिवर्सिटी मिलेगी वो 2-3 अटेम्प्ट के बाद नहीं मिलेगी. As an interviewer, I am of course going to select you if you've cleared your exam in the first attempt as compared to someone who's taken many attempts to clear the exam. So take it seriously, prepare for it seriously, and I'm sure you're good to go. Thank you for watching the whole video. At the end, I would only like to tell you that cracking an exam is not a cakewalk, but with the correct preparation, you can definitely do it. Remember, the best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. So make sure you believe in yourself, take quick actions, and achieve all your dreams. If you like today's video, do hit the like button. Comment and tell us what more help you require from our side for your set preparation. Share this video with your teacher friends and family and subscribe to TeacherPreneur for more such videos. See you soon.